Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add caption to a table in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet. I'll add caption to this table. Click on this table and click this table format option and select table option. And here you will find this caption option and check this caption and caption already showing. Now double click on this caption and see this caption box already open. Now here you can select title caption, subtitle caption, body caption. I only choose caption. Now type your caption. You can see this caption text, font size. I'll make it bold. Also you can change layout and border paragraphs. Background paragraphs. You can see the background color. And see this. This is border color. This is border color. And see this. Yeah, this is. You can round this corner. This style. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.